Hi, this is Konkona
This is Neeraj Kavi.
and you're watching
Bollywood
Bollywood Hangama.
How do you look at box office of movies? What is your prediction for something like Talwar? Because you're having like a Singh is Bling which is coming with you guys. You're
I
having,
believe
like, a
so.
Puri, which
Every
is coming
journalist
with
today has
first.
pointed it out to me. Every journalist has told me today, but Singh is coming. Oh, okay, thanks for telling me. I don't have any, what did you say, expectations or things.
Predictions.
Predictions, though, no. Because, this is an area over which I exert no control. This is completely out of my hands. We've done our bit and now it's almost irrelevant in a way to our work.
Okay.
Now let's see what happens. I hope it does well.
Apparently you're having like a script and you want to direct a movie as well.
I would like to, but it's very difficult to raise funds and make a non-mainstream film, so it's too early to talk about it really.
And the plans of working with your mother in a directorial venture of hers?
I have several times in the past, I hope to, several more times in the future. Let's see how that goes.
Okay. And apparently you were offered a lot of money for starring in a movie starring one of the big Khans, but you turned it down, so why was that?
I wouldn't like to use the word or the names here because I've never mentioned it, that there was a Khan or a Kumar or whatever involved in it.
As per my research, I think it was a
I've
Khan.
not mentioned that.
You've not mentioned Khan.
So
Okay.
I just said these were one of the
So it
top
can be like a Kumar as
Bollywood stars
Okay.
who were there. Yes, I did, but it was it was not something that I've come here for to work. I have come here to work in a very specific kind of things that I want to do, and I waited very, very long to do this. And I don't think at this point of time I would like to compromise this because I'm being paid a lot of money for a particular project. And no,
Amazing.
no, it was there.
Applause. It is
Applause, yeah,
applause
it's
for
kind
him.
of like idealism and it's an inspiration for all of us.
Any last thoughts on Talwar that you'd like to share with us? Any experience during the making of it and that you'd like to share with us?
It's been a while. It's hard to remember. I remember it was so hot. Because we were actually shooting in Noida in summer, but years later.
Yeah.
But recreating all those circumstances, which was quite something.
We're very close, when you're there in the same city and everything. That's a very eerie feeling
Right.
to be there. That's one.
It was quite an immediate experience, because recreating all of that, being there in May, shooting in Noida, knowing all of this, I think it just kind of made it all quite real.
The kind of documents that were researched upon and written, especially what her aunt wrote, the characters, Arushi's aunt, and who was also there for the premiere.
Ramna Talwar.
So multiple things that you read, which was there already in the news. When you read all of that, and when I was reading all of that I just could not stop breaking down every day of my shoot. Every single day I remember, I used to go back to those very pages again. I had bookmarked those pages and I had to again revisit that, and it would just crack me and break me every single day of the shoot, and that is something I can never forget. I've never broken down so much for any kind of work as yet, whether it's theatre or film or whatever, but this really cracked a lot. That's something that I can never forget in this film. Day after day and scene after scene this was happening, just that book, and that book has almost remained with me now. It's not precious, but it's part of what I am today. I've kept it in a very particular place, even at my place. It just remains over there. It's tragic. I would never like to revisit that again, but it's just there. It just gives you something that it just,
Catharsis in a way.
it is like that, yeah.
Right, so thank you very much and all the best wishes, and we hope that
Thank you so much.
it does well at box office and across the...
And most importantly, I hope that this kind of thing will never happen again,
Yeah, that's
Then now everybody knows that if the crime scene has taken place, that it is not to be touched, not to be contaminated with that evidence. It has to be sealed off. I mean, this awareness is now amongst the general public, I think. So this should never happen again.
Absolutely. Thank you very much and all the best wishes. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.